Okay, another one is very popular, I would say, and people use it, especially the healer, especially the presenter and the businessman. You need it. So if you want to do the business, you meet a lot of people, you need this one. This one called Mandala Violet Jewels, and we are partnered with Mr. Terry as well to develop this one. So Mr. Terry is a very big support for us to make this one happen. So now people are benefit this one. Okay, the violet jewel, the first thing that I normally use is very normal is when I buy this, when I get this one, we will come up with the protection program frequency set already. So you doesn't need an application to do all the thing. So you buy it, you turn it on. Every time when you have the business discussion, you have a partner conversation, you talk with people very straightforward, or you have a fight with someone, like you're talking to them, you have a fight with them, you say something, he says something, they are like yelling each other or talking in a strong way, I would say that one. After you finish talking with him or her, you guys are split already, he's gone already, and now you're sitting alone. But the fighting or conversation in a strong way still continue in your brain, in your head. It's just going. You will think that you are speaking one thing, and then he will reply another thing, and then you reply back again. It will continue like this. Even you are not like physical talking with each other, or the conversation is already finished, but it will continue like that. The way of solving this issue, if you have violet jewels, the first thing is to go like this. Move it from the third eye to the back here, the soft brain. You can go here on the right side. And then in the middle. And then here on the left side. You can go here again and do like this repeatedly until you feel like everything is settled now. And it also can work with the excited. Sometimes you feel like so much excited. Sometimes you feel nervous. You can do like this. It will solve the issues very quickly. Okay. For a presenter or a healer, when you give your energy to someone, and then when you assign your energy to someone, you heal someone with your energy. And the thing that unpresent or unwilling energy sometimes may bounce back to you. So if you are a healer, you really need a violet tools to clean up all these things. The method of clean up is very easy. So after you finish healing, you just move like this, from the top to the bottom. And then again, you can move like this. And then in the back, you can move here and move here. This one, we can remove all the implant energy that we don't want, or somebody energy that can stuck on ourselves, our body. You can remove here. And then on the side, if you are a healer, a presenter, you should have one. After you present and you give lecture to somebody, it could help. It will help to clear up all the energy, this one. And another thing, if you have like a psychic, you feel that you have psychic connection, you have psychic attack, or when you feel that way, we can use the violet to close that channel as well. We will close it by move the violet around the chakra belts. So you can move. We can start with the crown chakra here. We will turn clockwise on the crown chakra and then the third eye. And then the throat. All the cyclic connection. So we can close this one. And then heart chakra. Normally I will do just only 3 rounds. And then go down and more. And then the root chakra, you can move like this. And then your knee. Sorry, I think I need to move here. Your knee, like this. Yeah, like this 3 times. Yeah. So this one can close all the cyclic connection through all the chakra and all the bells. And you can move around your side as well. So this is one of the violet chills. If you feel that your room has something that you don't want inside, if you don't have resonator, this one can also work as well. You can put it in some corner behind, which is you don't see it. You can put it in some table in the corner and leave it on for a while. It will increase up all the energy as well. According to the research, we know that the negative energy will not be able to live in the violet sea environment. So as long as you turn on the violet sea, it will go away. It will not be able to live with you. And another thing, because this one is making targetly to aura fixing and for protection. So this one we can, if you want to make your aura bigger, it's very easy. You can just like put it here. This one is a new method that we working on. It will chart your aura. You can hear and then go on the left hand side like this. It will make your aura bigger and bigger. And then the back, it can be like this, or it can be like this. And then the right hand side. This one is very easy method to make your aura and chart the aura energy. So if you are a healer, you can start to clean yourself first before give the healing to people. And after they finish healing, you can clean up yourself again. As well as for the people who go for healing session, you're gonna go and take a healing session. You should do the first thing is to create up the psychic connection and then clean everything and then shut up your aura first before you start the healing session. Because if your aura is leaking, when you have some session, you have some energy session, it might be something leaking to yourself. So you should fix your aura first before doing anything, any energy work. So, and this is everything about violet chills. If you want to adjust the frequency, it also has an application to play with that one. So they have so many program and many library of the frequency you can play, you can try, you can create the preset on that one.